Okay, so what is the risk of being a multi-passionate person? Okay? Number one, you find yourself often burnt out. Okay? But you will also find the reward worth the fucking risk. Tandaan nyo sa life, the price you pay is the price you get. Kaya, mga bunot, paghirapan mo yung gusto mo. Okay? Makakapag-bonding ka with friends with your own money na hindi ka nagigilty kasi own money. Tapos, teka lang, babara ko lang. Tapos magugustuhan mo yung mga pinagbibili mo kasi ikaw nga yung pumili. Tapos di ka nagigilty ulit. Pero ang cons nun, tangina ang hirap.
Tapos di mo man naranasan yung surprise. Gusto ko kasi ma-surprise eh. Yung good na surprise.
Pero ang pros ulit nun, nakukuha mo na maging independent. At may naman yung brief kadiri, ang po. Tapos ayun, nagagawa mo yung gusto mo. Tapos healthy ka. Nakakapag-jogging ka every morning. Tapos, nakakapili ka ng kakainin mo, hindi lang hotdog. At marami pang iba. Kaya it's worth the risk. Worth the risk. So ayun, multi-passion baby. Maglalaba muna ako. Okay? Alright. Pero hard work is not always the vehicle towards your goal. You need your brain. You need to be smart, intelligent, and most of all, magaling sa communication skills. And most of all, magaling sa communication skills. From verbal to body language to writing to speaking. Verbal yun eh. Pero lahat ng yun, kailangan mo yun. Kaya gawin mo, mag-invest ka dun. Okay? And many more skills. Persuasion skills and business skills. Okay? Okay? Okay, alright.